Hello everyone and welcome back to another NapTech video. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to fade in or out audio in Premiere Pro. So this can be very useful if you're ending a film or video, if you're starting it, or sometimes even if you have different audio clips in your video and you want to give viewers the space and the sort of silence to process the separation between each. So a great thing to know how to use, and I'm sure if you got here, it's that you want to use it very quickly. So let's do it and get right into it. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is locate the audio clip in your timeline that you want to fade in or out. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Effects panel, which I have over here. If you don't see it anywhere on your workspace, don't worry. You can easily find it and add it by going to Menu and then Window, and then checking Effects in the Window panel. Once it's checked, if you don't see it, just try to look for it within the different panels that you have open, but it should be easy to find. Once you have that open, you want to search for fade. And that's a little tip that I've found can be useful, is just to search for these instead of going through the folders every time. But another way to do it is to simply go through the folders. So you click on Audio Transitions and then Crossfade, and then you have all of your different effects here. The one that I suggest using, and you can try all of these three out, there's only three, so feel free to experiment with them. But the one that I usually use is constant gain. Sometimes I use constant power, but that depends on what I'm trying to go for as an effect. Let's just use constant gain for the sake of this video. So select the crossfade audio transition that you want to use and simply drag and drop it onto the beginning of your clip to fade in. All right, so this is how you fade in a video, or an audio clip rather, but I want to give you a couple extra tips before you leave. The first is that you can shorten the length of your audio effect or fade in. And this is really good to know if you have longer clips and you want the sort of fading in to be slower, if you want it to be faster, it's great to sort of adjust that to your liking. It's the same thing for fading out. I'm just going to show you how to do that really quickly on this clip right here. So navigate towards the end of your clip and then just again drag and drop, but instead of dropping at the beginning, we're going to be dropping at the end. There we go. All right, and again, you can adjust the length of that. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please drop a like. If you use Premiere Pro or any other software regularly, I highly recommend you check out the other videos on my channel. I do these regularly too, so if you're interested, please subscribe. And yeah, I hope you found this helpful. That's it for me. Have a good day.